Python. Okay, so see here. So ternary operator, it is also knows the conditional operator or expression evaluate either the true or false condition. That's like as a if else statement. Okay, if else statement. So it's true or false based on the specific condition. So it allows to test the condition in a single line. Okay, this is very important, powerful line. That is what allow to test the condition in a single line only single line. So taking the appropriate result on the basis of the true or false. Okay, how we can write? See here, var name. Then you can write here this on the conditions here. Okay, sorry, you can write right here. Either the true variable. What is the true? Okay, then if, then you can write here the condition. Then else you can write here what the variable or on false. Okay, so suppose if you are having here a greater than b. Okay, see here a is greater than b. So here in the if you can write here a greater than b, else b you can write here. Okay, else you can write here b. So that means if a is greater than b, that means a is a greater number. Okay, so that is a will be written. Okay, what is going to be written? A will be written in rather under other way. How we can write here in conditional statement C plus plus or Java. Okay, so here we can write the first condition. Okay, a greater than b suppose, and you can write here the question mark. Okay, and then here a and colon b is there. Okay, ऐसे हम लिखते हैं. So if the condition is evaluated correctly, so A is written. If the condition is false, then B is written. Okay. So true and false, how you can write like this way. In Python, how you can write this var name on true. Okay. If then write here condition, then else on false. Okay, so example, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So we are finding the large number among the a and to b. So a, if a greater than b means a will be written, that is stored in the large number. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, b will be written, that is stored in the large number variable. Okay, now let us see the one small example to find the largest number among the two numbers. Okay, save as, we can write here ternary example. Okay, example on ternary operator. T R R Y E X dot py. Okay, P is T is capital. I have written. Yes. Okay, take two variable. What is the example here? To find a larger number among the two numbers. Okay. To find the rather than I just copy paste from here. Okay, write a program to accept the two in numerical values and find the largest number. Okay, so take two variable first. N1 is equal to int of, do the typecasting. We require only integer value. Okay, input, we can write here, enter the first number, Enter the first number. Okay, enter the second number. Now, so you can write here large is equal to take one variable. Large is equal to write our statement. What n1. Okay. What is the syntax for ternary operator? N1 if then condition a sorry n1 greater than n2, otherwise else is what n2, that's it. Then print here, print only one statement. Okay, means only one line we have find here. Okay, this evaluate its condition in only one line. It allows to test the condition in a single line and taking the appropriate result on the basics and true and false. Okay, so here you can print large number is equal to this one. You can write here in this way कि ये कॉमा ये से हम ये निकाल रहे dot format of n1 comma n2 comma what is the name of variable large. Okay, that's it. Run this program. Okay, open this command prompt. Find our directory, working directory. Okay, Python ternary example dot py. Okay, enter the number 10, 20. So large number is 20. Once again 20 and 10. Large number is this one. Once again 10 and 10. Then large number is 10. So I want to implement one condition. What is that? If the both the number are equal, so we need to check that condition both numbers are same. Okay, both number are same. So take everything in the else statement. Take if add one condition, then if n1 is equal to n2, then print here what all are equal, two numbers are equal. You can say two values are equal, or you can say two numbers are equal. It's just additional condition I am writing now. Don't bother about this. Okay, so here else, yes, take in this else. Okay, okay, 10, 10. Now two numbers are equal. Okay, large number is this. Okay, this is about what ternary operator.